Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are back with another Amazon Prime unboxing to do for this Friday night, the 31st, last day of the month. You guys could get one of these at a low cost. Check them out, see what other goodies they have. And this is coming from my good friends over at RECCAZR, I do believe. Oh boy. And there's the speakers that they got right there. And then now they have to offer something. I'm sure you guys could tell what size is. But here we go. Oh, come on. There we go. Whoa. Check this out. I got the gaming mouse pad. Cool. Put this right. Move over. Oh, nice shot. We got that mouse pad right now. Bada boom. And we also got. Get this out of the picture. We got the combo deal. We got the mouse. The lights up. I'm about to show you guys that in a second. Now here it is, the main course. This thing is amazing. Boom. It looks like a spaceship. But this is my spaceship for aliens. Is that steam? Sweat. Feels weird. Huh. How he blows. This is the, what is this here? Hold on one sec. We got the MC500 gaming series, gaming keyboard, mouse, and mouse pad. Right there. Alright, the good features of this one is the keys are 104, key lifetime is 10 million times. The key route 3.6 plus 0.3. Pressure 50 plus 15G. Backlight is 3 different colors. Interface is 2.0. Cable 1.5. Operating system 7, 8, and 10. Windows and XP and Vista. Mouse, it's a optical sensor. 800, 1200, 1600, 2400. So, powerful mouse right there. And 3 million times for the button lifetime. Backlight is 7 recurrent colors. Breathing mode. Oh boy. Right on, right on. Alright. I'm going to hook this up. Give me one sec. Alrighty, YouTubers. Simple plug and play. We got it rolling. Or the color mode. This is nice. I like the blue LED adolescence. This is a nice keyboard, guys. So in case you want to add it to your Amazon wish list, make a purchase for somebody, even yourself. This would be a really nice keyboard to get. The color. Trying to find out where it is the here's the back. Oh, there's the kickstands. Okay. We got the kickstand down there. Right now, I'm just gonna leave it flat. But trying to find. Oh, here's the mouse. Look at that. That's really cool. Boom. Money shot. And like I said, those speakers right there. And the links are going to be down below for those in this video also. And like I said, give them right now for the Cyber Monday deals. It'll be cheaper now. And if there's any codes, I'll leave them down below. But we'll type in a little something in Google. This is nice. Boom, fast response. Alright. So all we gotta do, here's the mouse. It is cruising. Oh yeah. It has a nice grip too on the this part on the wheel, and then there's the side ones right there. Go up. Change the background. Oh, what I was doing. Google. So let's type in that. Really nice. So thank you guys over at RECCAZR on Amazon. Check them out, YouTubers. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. Get this out in no time. You guys be safe. Have a great weekend and a great holiday. And take it easy. See ya.